Hello friends, how many times you put one of the quality in your resume which is of a quick learner? I know most of us put this quality just to get attention of the recruiter or the employers. But I wanted to ask you one more question. Are we really quick learners? Whatever we learn, are we learning it quickly? From my perspective, every one of us is quick learners. And what differentiates between quick learner and slow learners is the time. How much time you are going to spend to learn anything, any new skill, any new thing which you wanted to learn. How much time you are going to spend. I wanted to tell you one thing. Remember, after the age of 18, I got to know about the computers. Before that, I have never used computers because in schools there were no computers and my home as well there were no computers. So that after 18 years, first time I used computers and I learned the computers. I was not aware about the keyboards as well. It took some time for me to learn. Now, after 13 years of working in the IT industry, I realized and I am so perfect in typing the keys on the keyboard. Now, if you ask me to type while I'm sleeping, then also I can type it correctly. That's what the perfection I got in while typing. If you ask me to close my eyes and then type, that also I can do. But why this is possible? This is possible with the continuous efforts, continuous practice. For last 13 years, I am just working on the keyboards. That means every day I am doing that 10 hours, 8 hours practice on the keyboards. And remember, I haven't used or I haven't done any typing courses. Still, because I need to work on the computers, I need to work on the keyboards. My fingers got habituated to it, and it becomes an expert. That's how for every learning. Now, if you ask to put my fingers on piano or some other musical instrument, then I may not be able to compose a single line of a song. Why? Because my fingers are not used to it. I am not able to understand it. I have not learned that skill. But can I not learn it? I can. I can learn any skill. And you can also learn any skill. That is what is all important. It's just a matter of practice. It's just a matter of time and effort we are there to give. That's why everyone is a quick learner. So just don't hesitate to write a quick learner as one of your quality in your resume and just try to justify it as well, means whenever needed. Try to prepare one of your life examples which will help you to explain that why you are a quick learner. Why it is quick learner is applicable to you. That's all you need to able to understand and you need to able to explain as well. Remember, explaining this quick learner capability is always helpful in your interviews as well. So just don't hesitate to learn any new things. Just try to be a learning mode as well. Just keep learning new skills that will help you somewhere at some places in some way. That's what I wanted to convey in this video. If you like this video, if you have any suggestion or comments, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.